Good morning, Raptors, and welcome to Wake Up Raptors, your quick hit news update for everything happening at the Future Fiction Academy.
And I'm Melissa. This week's energy, endurance without drama. No lightning bolt inspiration, no viral moment, just the quiet, stubborn act of showing up to the work. Creativity isn't always electric. Sometimes it's just choosing the next sentence when you'd rather do anything else. Business. This week is business. This is the week to build boring infrastructure. Automate one email, schedule 1 month of posts, fix one broken link in your funnel. Small, consistent actions create outsized results. Warning, do not restart something new just because the current thing feels hard. That restless itch is not inspiration, it's resistance wearing a clever disguise. Outcome, if you push through 7 more days of unglamorous, consistent work, Future You will look back at this week as the week you kept going. Now let's get right into it because there's a lot happening.
If you caught last week's episode, this is your final reminder. Today is the last day to use the code INTENSIVE, all caps, for 50% off all paid standalone courses. That coupon expires February 16th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When the clock hits midnight, the discount is gone and pricing returns to normal. Here's what's included in the final day discount. Lit RPG with Ion Timeline, the Introduction to Claude Skills, writing a novella series on a budget, and project management with Ion Timeline. Again, these 4 standalone courses are 50% off today with the code INTENSIVE, all caps. The offer expires tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Separately, the Future Fiction Academy has released a new free class. Advanced Kit Bashing, Scaling Revisions Without Losing Your Voice. This course focuses on advanced revision techniques for combining drafts, scaling edits, and tightening prose while preserving voice and emotional clarity. It teaches writers how to use AI as a comparison and refinement tool, not a creative override. As a reminder from last week's update, we have 2 live limited run intensives remain open for enrollment. These workshops are not included with the FFA membership and will not be added to the on-demand library later. Romance Writing Camp with Harper, led by Harper, author of over 30 romance novels and an expert in advanced AI prompting. This is a fully guided end-to-end romance intensive designed to take writers from concept to completed novel. Live workshop runs 3 times per week over a 3-week period, and it includes reusable systems, notes, and execution frameworks. Next, we have Writing Jaff with Notion, an intensive camp with Elizabeth Ann West, led by Elizabeth Ann West, author of over 25 Jaff novels and a leader in Notion-based writing systems. This intensive runs 3 weeks with live workshops 3 times per week and focuses on centralized workflows for drafting, series management, and author operations. Who enroll in both intensives can purchase a bundle and receive over 30% off per workshop. You're going to be saving $500 if you purchase both workshops. There are payment plans available through Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal. All sessions are going to be live and execution focused with recordings posted for writers in different time zones. For those considering the membership, the FFA membership serves as the central hub for all Future Fiction Academy offerings. Memberships receive access to every standalone courses, live Q&A sessions, all tools created by the FFA, and additional classes ranging from foundational workflows to advanced automation, publishing strategies, and marketing systems that did not make the transition to a standalone class. Next week in the membership, and it's going to include a live class with Elizabeth on using Suno for authors, focused on practical, repeatable workflows writers can actually use. The accelerator is where the full ecosystem comes together. and the link to join is available in the description down below. Speaking of FFA membership, here's Alyssa.
This week's focus is on good enough momentum. If you've been waiting to feel ready, this is your reminder that ready is not a requirement. Progress usually comes from shipping something that's good enough, learning what happens in the real world, and improving it on the next pass. The good enough checklist works for almost anything. Use this for a chapter, a lesson, an email, a landing page, a post, a pitch, a script, or a plan. Your steps are as follows. Is it clear? Someone gets it fast. In the first 10 seconds, can a reader tell what this is and who it's for? Is it complete? It stands on its own. Does it have a real beginning and ending? If it's a shorter piece, does it still land a point and feel finished? It has one main promise, not five. What is the one outcome you want someone to get? Did you actually deliver that outcome? Is it accurate? No unprovoked. Is it accurate? No unforced errors. Is anything misleading, contradictory, or obviously wrong? Is it usable? It works. Links work. Formatting is readable. Files open. Audible is audible. Uh, Images load and nothing essential is missing. Skimmable. Is it easy to scan? Headings, bullets, short paragraphs, or visual breaks where needed. Is it on brand? Sounds like you. Even if it's simple, does it feel like your voice and your values? Safe to share. You can live with it. It might not be perfect, but it won't embarrass future you or confuse your audience. Next steps include what should someone do after this? Reply, click, read the next thing, join, buy, comment, download, make it obvious. Actions for the week. Pick one thing you've been polishing forever and move it to good enough, then ship it. If you want a simple constraint that works for different schedules, choose one of these options. A timer set for 20, 45, or 90 minutes, a scope limit of fixing only clarity and obvious errors, or a pass limit. You get one revision pass and that's it. Ask yourself, what would I ship today if the goal was momentum, not perfection? That's all for this week's update. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with the latest FFA news. Leave a comment on your favorite part of this week's update. What kinds of tips and tricks would you like to see in the future? Was the focus for this week helpful for you? We added something new to the thumbnail. Can you find our Easter egg? Thanks for waking up with us, Raptors, and we'll see you in the next Wake Up Raptors. Bye.
Bye.